In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up funds to your Namecheap account balance using a virtual credit card. Whether you're a seasoned Namecheap user or just starting, this guide will ensure your account is well funded and ready to go without hassle. First, head over to the Namecheap website and click on Account at the top right corner of the page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once you've done that, click Sign In and Continue. This will take you directly to your account dashboard where all the administrative magic happens. From your dashboard, navigate to the account balance section. This is where you can manage and view the funds available for domain renewals, purchases, and other services offered by Namecheap. Once you're in the account balance section, look for the top up button and click it. This will guide you to the page where you can add funds to your account. You will be prompted to choose a payment method. Since we're using a virtual credit card, make sure to select that option. Virtual cards are a convenient and secure way to handle transactions without exposing your main credit card details. With your payment method selected, click Next to proceed to the next step. Now you'll need to specify how much you'd like to add to your account balance. Make sure you have enough in your virtual credit card to cover this amount, keeping in mind any limits that may be imposed by your card issuer. Carefully type in the amount you wish to add, and when you're ready, click Next. At this stage of the process, you'll be asked to provide the card details of your virtual credit card. Enter the necessary information as prompted, ensuring everything is accurate to avoid any hiccups. After you've filled in your card details, click Next to move forward. Finally, you'll reach the last step, the moment where everything comes together. Click on Charge and Proceed to finalize the transaction. This action will authorize the payment and top up your Namecheap account balance with the specified amount from your virtual card. Once processed, your balance will be updated, ready for you to make the most of your Namecheap services. And that's it. You've successfully topped up your Namecheap account balance using a virtual credit card. Whether you're purchasing new domains, renewing existing ones, or using other services, having a funded account ensures your operations remain seamless and uninterrupted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.